ra biển mình phải chơi với nước chứ sao ra biển nó chơi với cá với tụt ấy không vậy Bella? Looking for shell. Bella nhặt đá, nhặt san hô hả con? Biển kìa. Cái đó seaweed, right? Seaweed. Wow, look at the ocean right there. The beach smell. The air out here is very fresh smelling. Woo. Look at this beach. Very, very cool. Biển sóng kìa các bạn. Why are we going up here? Huh? Are we done with the beach? Are we going back to the beach tomorrow?
No, I just thinking of.
Let's walk up and down. Let's walk toward the birds. See if it's so if it's brave, it catch us or not.
Quiet.
Huh? Okay, I'll be quiet.
Then we'll focus.
Hey, có người surfing kìa. How dare he go surfing in this cold weather, huh? Oh, they wear a wetsuit, so it's not cold, I guess.
Was hast du gesagt? Vielleicht ist sie auf der hohen Landstelle. Die ist doppelt so groß wie ich.
Huh? You pretend like you're gonna give him something, he's gonna come and get it. No, pick up the rock or something. Pretend. He doesn't know because he doesn't know. Huh?
Ai là dưới chứ luôn.